Hi Cub Scouts and families and parents and grandparents and whoever may be watching today. I wanted to share with you a song that I wrote to help us remember the 6 essentials that you need to bring when you are going on a hike. So I need everybody to stand up. Stand up. Everybody stand up. Alright, gotta get loose because there's some movement involved with this one. So I'm going to sing, then you're going to repeat after me. So, you ready? Here we go. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. Your turn. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. Alright, that's the first part. That's the tune we're going to use. You guys ready? Alright, here we go. I don't want to stay inside, 'cause I want to exercise, so I grab my pack. Your turn. I don't want to stay inside 'cause I want to exercise, so I grab my pack. I'm staying safe with my first aid kit and my whistle too. I'm staying safe with my first aid kit and my whistle too. Alright, next part of the song is coming up. Getting everything in my backpack. I'm staying safe with my flashlight and my sunscreen too. Ouch. I'm staying safe with my flashlight and my sunscreen too. Ouch. My water bottle and my trail food help me survive, yum. My water bottle and my trail food help me survive, yum. If I eat too much and I have to poo, I better have some toilet paper, ooh. If I eat too much and I have to poo, I better have some toilet paper, ooh. This song is done, I hope you had fun. But wait, there's more. I'm a Cub Scout and I love to shout, hey. Thank you, I hope you guys enjoyed the song.